guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing. It is this unboxing right here by LashyBox. This is a September box, and this box retails for $13.99. They send you some makeup tools, they send you some eyelashes for a very affordable price. This is the look that I came up with. I'm totally feeling it. The glitters, the shimmers, the shines. I can't. I'm loving it. Anyhow, so if you guys want to watch how I created this look and everything that we got in this box, then just stay tuned. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get started. So we're just gonna go ahead and unbox our little Lashy box for the month of September. So it's completely sealed. I have not cheated, but I am so excited to see what we got in this box. Okay, all right, here we go. Ta-da! This is what it looks like on the inside. Okay, let's pull out this item. So on the top, we got a LashyBox curler. I think that's what it is. I'm not sure. This little bag is so cute. You can use it like a little makeup bag as well. Okay, so it's just a clear little makeup bag pouch. So I'll be using it as a makeup bag. All right, so pretty much it is, whoa. These are kind of intimidating. So it is a LashyBox tool. And I guess the way that you use it, you just clamp your real eyelashes and your falsies together to curl it. Whoa, okay, I'm gonna be giving this little guy a try. I'm not gonna lie, it is kind of intimidating, but I will try it. That was the first thing that we got. Next thing is this right in here. Oh my God, these are so super cute. I saw that we were getting some glitters. So these are the Mermaid scales in the color gold lavender. I am gonna do a look with this. I love freaking glitters. And the little packaging is so cute. It looks like a little potion in a bottle. Oh my God, this is so cute. Let me open it up. So after opening up the little mermaid scales in the color gold lavender, this is what it actually looks like. It is so super cute, and it has like some really gold chunky little specks right in there with the little purple underneath. It is so super cute. I will definitely be using this. I do see myself using this. So this is really, really cute. All right, we're gonna go ahead and move along. So I see some LashyBox, oh, there's two. Some LashyBox eyelashes, and these are 3D silk eyelashes in the style Allure. So that's the first pair of eyelashes. The next pair that we got is this one right here, and these are also by LashyBox, and they're also the 3D silk lashes in the name Lucky. I like these. These I do see myself using because it is more of a natural glam style. Super cute, and they're nice and wispy and long and like fluttery. So super cute. Okay, all right, and then the last two in our box. Oh, there's another item in there. All right, okay, so this last this one right here is in the name, or they're by Athena lashes. Oh, these are really cute too. They are Athena eyelashes, and they're also very full and fluttery but natural, and they look really nice and curled. And it is in the name Camila. That is so cute. I like these two. I'm looking forward to using those. All right, this next one, oh, the packaging is so super cute. I can't. Okay, so this one, this pair right here, is it backwards or what? Okay, I think it is. This is what it looks like. The packaging is so super cute. It's like a floral pink packaging to it. And these are by, let's see what this says. PrincessaCosmetics.com. So that's the brand, PrincessaCosmetics.com. So super cute. I am looking forward to these two. These look very, very pretty. Okay. And then the last item, I thought we were done, but we did get another item, and this is the Ruby May liquid eyeliner. I'm guessing it's in the color black. Let's hope so. Let me open it up. Okay, so the last item was the black eyeliner, and it is by Ruby May. The color is black. This is what it looks like, and let's just try it on here. Whoa, it's super, super black. Okay, I will be giving this eyeliner a try. I haven't done eyeliner in such a long time that I think I lost my practice, but I will attempt to do it with this type of eyeliner. And that's it. Let's go ahead and get started and create our look. So this is going to wrap up today's video. I hope that you guys liked it. If you stayed all the way through, thank you so much. You're a trooper. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I will make sure to leave the information down below. Go ahead and check it out. And that is it. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.